Landing in Lapland for the first time was an adrenaline rush. As a minimalist fine art landscape photographer, I have spent hours researching this part of the world for years before finally arriving, so I thought I knew what to expect. Yet, when I touched down, the thrill and surprise went beyond my wildest dreams. Even though I arrived at the end of March, which is quite late in the winter seasons to see the country in its prime, I was astonished by the rugged beauty and dramatic landscape I discovered. Driving on roads still blanketed in snow thrust me straight into an Arctic adventure. Greeted by breathtaking sunset most days, I felt like the land was welcoming me with open arms. To amp up the expedition vibe, driving 20 minutes on a narrow snow-covered trail through dense woods to reach the cabin was the ultimate thrill. Everything was set for the perfect Arctic experience just hours after landing. The freezing temperatures, often around -30 degrees Celsius, made it clear that winter's grip was still strong. When I finally reached the cabin, isolated in the middle of the woods with only a few distant neighbors, I felt a rush of exhilaration. I wanted to reconnect with nature, to find a unique and remote Arctic landscape to photograph. This was the perfect place for that. Lapland is full of striking details that might go unnoticed by many, but the fences along the roadsides immediately grabbed my attention. The vast, untouched landscapes underscored nature's dominance here. Coming from London, where life is a constant rush and everything is overcrowded, the power of this serene, expansive wilderness was overwhelming. No barrage over advertisements or noise traffic, no planes overhead, no massive billboards, no bustling crowds, none of that. Just snow, trees, and endless blue sky. Even the ski lift stood empty. I wanted to embrace nature in its rawest form, to feel truly alive and face this harsh environment head-on. So it was time to challenge the winter's main element, the snow. I know snowshoes would have been wise, but I couldn't find any, so that was no excuse to all the adventure. Off I went, trekking towards the perfect spot to capture the photo I envisioned. As a minimalist photographer, I seek out simplicity. The snow was my ally in this quest. Minimalism clears my mind of unnecessary visual clutter. I feel lighter, more in tune with my senses and emotions. In this pristine environment, animal trails crisscrossed everywhere. a clear reminder of who truly owns this territory. When planning my trips, I seek out places that offers captivating subjects to photograph. I map out where to go, what to shoot, and when to capture the best light. However, the true thrill lies in keeping my eyes wide open during every commute, ready to stumble upon unexpected treasures. I often find myself returning to locations multiple times, chasing the perfect composition. I can't settle for an average shot. I'd rather return again and again until I capture the scene just right. Thank you for tuning into my first video. I'm excited to share many more tips and tricks in the coming videos to help you achieve minimalism in your photography, no matter where your travels take you. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, leave a comment, or throw any questions my way. And if you're feeling adventurous, hit that subscribe button. It's free, and it really helps me keep the content coming. Thanks for watching till the end, and I can't wait to bring you the next video.